read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well, and you are also enjoying our video lectures and same like that. By using this method of teaching, you are teaching at home and learning a lot. Today, in the classroom, we taught to the student number 13 how to count it, how to identify it, and how to write number 13. So, at home, what could you do? You could take cotton buds, 13 cotton buds, 13 coins. Keep all the objects on the table. Oh my God, you could take 13 candies as well. So, keep all the objects on the table. Let's count with me. Wow, chocolates and candies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Tasty, tasty, tasty and sweet candies. Sweet candies. 10 candies. 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candies. 1, 2, 3, 3 chocolates. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. Now, try to count the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. You know very well, it's very important to develop the sense of counting. After that, right here number 13, we will learn how to write it and how to identify. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, make semicircle, make another semicircle. Which number is this? This is number 3. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. 13 lemons. 13 lemons. 13 candies and chocolates. It's story time. 13 lemons were packed for a picnic. They were going to be used to make lemonade. Yummy, juicy, cold. To lemonade, which would be very refreshing. I hope so. You understood how you have to teach at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.